Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to see about how to automate your social medias. Before getting into video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Open the internet browser and type www.zapier.com. In this website, you can automate more than 2,000 applications. First, you want to trigger an application, and then, we want to choose another action application. When you post something in triggered application, automatically that post will share on the action application. This is the process we are going to done on this website. Before signing up, by using the search option on the home page, you can check whether the applications that you want to automate your content is available or not. You can sign up with Google or you can sign up with Facebook. I am signing in with my Gmail account. This is the dashboard of this website. Zap means to connect two different applications. You can use the Zap switch, had been already created. Or you can create a new one. These are the some zaps of my automation process. And then click on My Accounts. On this page, you can add your social media accounts. Search which application do you want, and log on to that account. If you choosing your Instagram account, the page will be redirected to another page for login process. Log on to your Instagram correctly. Like this manner, you can connect your social media accounts to Zapier. You can add multiple accounts for any social media. Step 1. Click on the button Make a Zap. A new page will be open. On this page, you are going to do the zapping process. Step 2. Choose the application which you want to trigger. Step 3. Choose the trigger events, which means to create a post or story or something else. Step 4. Choose which account you want to post. In the case of YouTube, you should enter the channel ID. If you don't know your channel ID, don't worry, I am here to help. Go to your YouTube channel link, copy everything that comes after the slash. Step 5. Now the time to test the trigger app. Just click on the test trigger button. If you had done any mistake, the test trigger will be failed. The test trigger will be completed successfully. Cool. Let's move on to step 6. In this step, you want to choose the application for the action of the triggered application. In my case, I'm choosing Facebook pages for action. Step 7. Choose the trigger events. Follow the steps as we have done before. Step 8. Choose the account you want to post. Let's move on to the next step. In step 9, we are going to customize your page post. It is must to fill all the required fields. First, you need to choose which page or account that you want to do action by triggered application. In the URL field, choose the YouTube URL option. And click Continue. Now the time to test the trigger app. Just click on the test and continue. It is showing an error in the message field because we didn't fill any message. Go to message field and choose the title option. Now we can test again. Finally, our test was completed successfully. Now turn on your Zap to automate those two different social medias. If you have any doubts or suggestions, post it in the comment section. That's all about today's content. Let me see you in the next week. Do share and subscribe our channel and gain your knowledge.